Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be showing you how to remove the Peugeot 3008T8 tailgate struts. If your tailgate isn't staying up properly and it just comes down, then you'll need to change the tailgate struts. First, on the tailgate struts, you can actually see that there's numbers 9683207080. You can Google this to find replacement struts, as this is the part number on the actual struts. To change them, you'll need a little tool, and you'll need to get in between the clip and the actual strut and just pull it out a little. You don't want to remove this clip completely, and then it should slide out. So get in between there and then pull the strut off. Ideally, you want someone to hold the tailgate up for you when you're doing this. And then the exact same position, you will need to put it back the exact same way, the new one. Make sure the clip is on there, and then it will pop into place. And then you will do the same thing for the other side. It's the same idea. And then the same way, make sure it goes on the same place. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.